Audio and sound effects in this video were created using audio.com. Use the link in the description to get 10% off. So this is the Riva Zoom 105i. This is a very interestingly shaped camera. It kind of looks like a small projector actually. So very unusual. This is the front here, the top here. Here's the back, and I'll go into details. And then the bottom here, nothing on the sides really. Well, you've got the latch here to open up. So first of all, it is powered by one of these batteries. This is a 2CR5 battery. So these are, you can find them very easily. They're not cheap. They usually go for at least 10 Canadian dollars, sometimes 20 depending on where you find them. So you just put it in here this way. There you go. All right, let's turn it on. Now, the one interesting thing about this camera is that it has a auto zoom. So basically, it will focus on, let's see if we can make that happen here. Might have to be further away, but it will basically focus automatically on a subject. You can override that by using these two buttons here, but it will automatically do that. Now, some people love that, some people hate it. It will depend on how you approach these things. You can still obviously zoom in and zoom out, so nothing changes there. So let's go through the menu. Very simple menu. There's not much to it here. So you've got the flash button here. So it has a double flash where it will fire 2 bursts of flash, or you can just do single. You can have just flash on all the time, or you can have the flash off. So that's basically it. Here you have a self timer, which is 10 seconds. That's it. There's really nothing else. You've got the shutter button here if you want to change or load the film, I should say. Let's turn this off. You open it up here. This is what the insides look like. Pretty standard, not much to it. So if we want to load some film, we're going to take this test film here, load it to go all the way here, and that should be fine. There you go. So you're good to go. And it's set to 1. That's it. Pretty straightforward. And you are good to go. When you are done, it will automatically rewind, or you can push this button here if you want it to rewind before you're done. So let's take a look at some photos.